Today we're diving into the Ultrahuman Ring Air, one of the most innovative smart rings disrupting the wearable tech space. Full disclosure, the Ultrahuman team sent me this product to review, but this is not a sponsored video. I'm going to share my honest experience after 1 week of testing, and let me tell you, this might be the most advanced wearable tech I've ever used. Weighing just 2.4 grams with comprehensive health tracking and zero subscription fees. Could this be the ultimate fitness tracker you'll actually forget you're wearing? Join me and let's find out. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. Prior to purchase, the company ships you a free sizing kit that includes multiple ring sizes and color choices, allowing you to find the ideal fit for maximum data precision. The perfect size for me is 8, and I can put it in my index, middle, and ring finger. The unboxing is refreshingly minimalist. Inside the elegant packaging, you'll find the Ring Air itself, a user manual, magnetic ring charger, and a USB Type-C cable. The packaging is clean and modern, letting the device be the star of the show.
This thing is absolutely stunning. I have the matte gray finish, but it's available in 6 colorways: raw titanium, aster black, bionic gold, space silver, and brushed rose gold.
What immediately strikes you is how incredibly lightweight it is, weighing between 2.4 to 3.6 grams depending on size, with a thickness of just 2.45 to 2.8 millimeters. This is legitimately one of the lightest fitness trackers on the market, lighter than the Oura Ring, which weighs 4 to 6 grams. The titanium construction gives it a premium feel with exceptional durability. After weeks of continuous wear, even at the gym, there are zero scratches or wear marks. It's rated at 10 ATM water resistance, wear it swimming, showering, during workouts, basically anywhere. Available in sizes 5 through 14, though Ultrahuman recommends wearing it on your index, middle, or ring finger for the most accurate readings. At first, wearing a ring felt slightly unusual, but within days it became so comfortable that I felt awkward without it. That's the beauty of the Ring Air. It genuinely disappears on your finger while silently collecting comprehensive health data 24/7. Pairing with the Ultrahuman app via Bluetooth is straightforward and works with both iOS and Android. The interface is clean and informative with helpful explanations for each metric, perfect for users new to advanced health tracking. Battery life is exceptional, up to 6 days on a single charge, and it fully recharges in just 60 minutes. The magnetic charging dock is simple, just place the ring on it and you're done. Many users charge during showers or daily routines, keeping it perpetually topped up without disrupting tracking.
The Ring Air tracks an impressive array of metrics: continuous heart rate, HRV or heart rate variability, skin temperature, SpO2, steps, calories, VO2 max after working out, stress monitoring, and atrial fibrillation detection.
Workout tracking supports virtually any activity: cross-training, hiking, strength training, yoga, Pilates, kickboxing, powerlifting, rock climbing, and much more. But where this device absolutely excels is sleep tracking. Every morning, you receive a comprehensive sleep score based on over 10 metrics, including sleep stages, consistency, efficiency, and recovery quality. The ring analyzes your circadian rhythm and provides personalized coaching, suggesting optimal bedtimes, caffeine cutoff windows, and vitamin D exposure times, all tailored to improve your sleep and energy levels.
2 standout features: atrial fibrillation detection continuously monitors your heart rhythm and alerts you to irregular patterns for early identification. Cardio adaptability measures how your cardiovascular system responds to activity, stress, and rest, providing insights into your heart's overall recovery capacity.
The stress monitoring and recovery scoring analyze your HRV trends, resting heart rate, and body temperature to deliver daily movement index and recovery scores. This helps you understand when to push hard versus when to rest.
For someone who struggles with sleep occasionally, the nighttime tracking and morning insights have been invaluable. I check these metrics religiously every morning.
Here's the game changer. The Ultrahuman Ring Air requires zero subscription fees. You pay 1,299 dirhams once for the hardware, and every feature is permanently yours with no monthly charges. Compare this to competitors like Oura Ring, requiring $5.99 monthly, and you'll understand why this is huge. Over time, those subscription fees add up significantly.
The Ring Air also integrates with Apple Health, Strava, Fitbit, Garmin, Zwift, and Peloton. While it doesn't have built-in GPS, it syncs with your phone's GPS during outdoor activities. There's only one drawback. As a weightlifter doing heavy barbell work, I found the ring uncomfortable during intense grip exercises and worried about damaging it, so I occasionally took it off. But for runners, cyclists, yoga enthusiasts, and general wellness users, the Ring Air is absolutely ideal. Now, here is my final thoughts. After weeks with the Ultrahuman Ring Air, I'm genuinely impressed. This is a thoughtfully engineered, feature-rich health tracker, delivering exceptional value without subscription fees. The combination of that featherweight 2.4-gram design, comprehensive sleep tracking, robust fitness monitoring, 6-day battery life, and zero ongoing cost creates a package that rivals competitors, costing significantly more long-term. The Ring Air is perfect for anyone serious about optimizing sleep quality, understanding recovery patterns, and gaining health insights without a bulky smartwatch. If you're interested in getting the Ring Air, I've included purchase affiliate link in the description below, with 10% discount using my code. That wraps up our review of the Ultrahuman Ring Air. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out!